Afternoon, guys. Starting off the vlog a bit late tonight. As you can tell by the cowboy hat and the flanny, we're going to be out in the wilderness tonight with all the monsters. It's going to be scary. Give you a little bit of a walk around of the campsite in one second. That you can see very much, but Nick's there, Alan's there, fire there, heap of wood there, my tent over here. We'll get on the backdrop of the fire so we can see. Can't really see Nick or Alan, but they're there. We're here and we're queer. Just eating some jelly beans, boys. $3 a jelly bean, $2 for a black one, and you get one free sample. Just me, I get them for free. Kumbaya, my lord. Kumbaya. Kumbaya, my lord. Kumbaya. Ah, where's me burbs gone, con? Bourbon, 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 swerving bourbon.
Nice to gonna get hot, bro.
Go, Cuzzo. Can't really see the knife, what? What are you doing? You're a fuckwit. Sucks waking up when the sun comes up. Sun goes all through the tent. It's not fun. Camping life. Nick's making a little hot plate out of a rock, a sign, and some bark. What is life, boys? Ah, it's pretty relaxing out here. Nothing but bush and dirt and fire and tent and car. It's amazing. We got it going, boys, as you can see. I'll see you about breakfast in a minute. It's got the goods. Got her cooking up some breakfast, bro. Breakfast. That's how you cook some straight ass bush tucker, mate. Bush tucker, boy, bush tucker. Bush tucker. Boys! Yo, Allie, you want an egg? Little pot sucker on the back. Chuck some eggies on, boys. Look at it. Smells good. I'm about to flip these motherfuckers. Breakfast is so good. Oh yeah, and I'm done cooking breakfast. I even made scrambled eggs on the thing. That's how good I am. You see that crazy cunt on the back of that boat? Retard. So I just came home, had a shower. We're gonna head back out in approximately half an hour. I'm gonna go into town, get some supplies, and then go back out. So I'll see you when I'm back out. Back home now after running some errands. Picked up what we needed to pick up. Joseph? Say hello to the vlog.
Joseph, I hope you know you're not getting your bed blown up till later on.
Quick pit stop at Mackie D. Like always, we're at the Mackie D. We're going to get the apprentice. We're going to have a fun night tonight. We're going to go camping, do that, all that shit like same as last night, but I'm going to film more while it's light out. We're going to do a lot more stuff and it's going to be more fun. Got the food!
Why is their number still up there?
Very nice, very nice.
Hey guys, Apprentice here, you know, the best scooter ride ever, better than Joe. Yeah, and I have to tell you guys that I'm back in the vlogs, otherwise Brady will hurt me again. The sack tapped me before and I feel sick, but oh well. Shits and gigs. So yeah, I'm back in the vlogs. Don't know what we're doing, but it should be fun.
Connor attempts a whip flat. Come on, Connor. Come on, Prentost. Try a bit harder than that, bud. It's pretty fucking hot, boys. But you know, we're just waiting for Nick. Like we do in every vlog. Waiting for Nick. What else can we do besides wait for Nick? Gonna teach Connor how to drive. Fun times, Cam.
Check the mirrors.
Put your foot on the brake, mate.
He's on the brake. That's neutral? Nah, it's right, never mind. Well, I'm going too fast. I can hardly see over the dash.
Sit on something then. Stop. We'll just get him something to sit on and we'll get back.
Nah, it's good, it's good. Oh, it really hurts.
It's currently sitting on his backpack.
I don't know what's in there. I can hardly reach the pedals now.
Foot on the brake. And go for it, bud. At least you can see where you're going. That'd be a plus, won't it?
Yeah.
Oh, he's fucking going fast. Just currently we're at the front of Joe's house waiting. See if Joe's home. We'll just wait for 5 minutes and go knock again. But yeah, I don't know what to do on my vlogs anymore. Oh my god, this hat looks gay. So I might go back to uploading only 3 days a week. Leave a suggestion in the comment if you think that'd be better. It'd be better content for you guys. I won't be so dried out and I'll be able to get better content, you know? So I think we might just do that. So Joe doesn't want to come. Probably no riding clips in this vlog now then. So might end it here. Hope you enjoyed the not so usual footage. Like Friday's video wasn't what I normally do, and the video watching now is not what I normally do, but you know, be back on riding this week anyways. So I'll upload on Monday and then Wednesday and then Friday. I might go back to daily, but we'll have to see. Maybe if I get like if I go away somewhere I'll do dailies, but right now in my hometown there's not really that much content for you guys, so back to 3 days a week, but you know, the content will be better hopefully. So thanks guys for watching. If you made it this far, you know, drop a thumbs up, share it with your friends, follow us on Instagram at alt_crew, and I'll see you on Wednesday.